So today we will start this, Protura. Protura is the one order that is comes under Aterigotes. If you go to class Insecta, that we have divided into suborder, two subclass, that is Aterigota and Pterigota. So in this Aterigota having 5 orders, that is Diplura, then Collembola, Protura, Microcoryphea, and Thysanura. We have already talked with this related to this. So in Protura, that main character is both antennae and wing are absent. Aterigot means all our wings are absent. So in this also wings is absent. Then antennae, this is the important. In Protura, that no any antennae is there. Then next is taxonomy. Taxonomy, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is the classification, means arrangement of the species from high to low category is known as taxonomy classification, and then we identify which species is there. That is the main is the taxonomy, and is also same type is another is systematics, that is kind and diversity. And these are the relationships. If you go from starting from this, the tree type of this is classification is there. We start from kingdom, then phylum, then class, then subclass, then order, suborder, superfamily, family, then subfamily, then tribe, then species, then subspecies, then bitype in last ending, then subspecies also coming. So this is the uh, taxonomic characterization. So in this taxonomy, 3 type of taxonomy word is there: alpha taxonomy, beta taxonomy, and gamma taxonomy. So this is the gamma taxonomy, means study up to species level. That is known as gamma taxonomy. Then another many word is recapitulation theory is given by Haeckel. Then silk spinning leg. This question coming many times. This which order they develop the silk spinning leg is found. So this is the Embryoptera. That is come into Pterigota group, subclass Pterigota. So, and another question, many times this question is also coming. This is insect originated from which period? That is from Devonian period. So this is also question many times is coming. Then another is Pusa bean. Who is developed the Pusa bean? That is developed by S. Pardhan. One scientist is there in IRI, Division of Entomology, and use of this Pusa bean is for storage of the insect, and they control to the storage insect. Then systematic, we have already told, systematic and taxonomy both are same, but some differences. Kind and diversity means that is, and also relationship. Kind and diversity also coming in taxonomy, but in systematics, their relation also among them. This is also coming. So another word is also coming, that is homonym. Many times this also question is coming, and another is synonym. Synonym and homonym. Homonym means name has given 2 or different taxa. One name is given 2 or more taxa, that is known as homonym, and one name, one species given the 2 name, that is synonym. So this is the difference between homonym and synonym. So last class we have also discussed about this Mentophasmatodea is one order that is come in 2002. That is not a new order. It's a removing and making separate order, and it is the smallest order in all 29 or 30 orders, because before this we have 29 order according to IMS. Most of the question related to this, how many orders is there, that is according to scientists. Many scientists given 36 orders, some are given 33 orders, but most of the time coming this question according to IMS. IMS is one scientist, they given the 29 orders, and after that this also Mentophermatoidea also, this order is coming in 2002. So these are the related. And then S. Pardhan again given the locus theory. Then major role is biotic factors. If you see in last year in Rajasthan, in Pakistan, Balochistan, that locust is the major problem. You know, no, locust. Why you are giving the name the locust? Anyone tell? Anyone tell about the locust? What is the meaning of locust? Azari? Tell. Sobam? Any other? Sarkar, what is the meaning of locust? Rija, no one tell. Why are calling this locust? More in order Orthoptera, all are grasshoppers, but some are locust. Why? Locust means havoc, very dangerous type of an insect that we have named the locust. In India and then Pakistan, that grasshopper is the name is locust. But if you go in America and other country, one cicada is there. Cicada is the group under this Hemiptera. So that is also known as locust. So this is the difference between this locust and grasshopper. All grasshoppers or maybe locust, but all locust are grasshoppers. So this is the difference, because all grasshopper are not locust, but some are locusts that are grasshopper. So this is the difference. And in 1939, that locust warning organization established. And where is the headquarter of this locust? This question also coming many times. Headquarter of locust warning organization is Rajasthan at Jodhpur district. Okay, and that comes under DPPQ, Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. That is at Faridabad in Haryana. DPPQ. That is established in 1946, and under this is one organization is there, locust warning organization, that established in 1939. Then this is also many times this question is coming. Tympanum organ on Fortibia and osteodatry organ on Tegmina are present in suborder Ensiphera. It is the suborder of order Orthoptera, divided into two suborder. That is, one is Ensiphera, another is Calcifera. So in Ensiphera, that tympanum organ found on Fortibia, and in this Calcifera, that is found on the abdomen. So this is the difference between Ensiphera and Calcifera. In Ensiphera, that is having more than 30 segmented antennae, and in Calcifera, that is another suborder of this Orthoptera, that having less than 30 segmented antennae. This is the clear cut to major difference. And other also many there. Then another many time this question also coming, Meloidy. Meloidy is the family that's come under order Coleoptera. Meloidy. You know, blister beetle. Many time you have some spoiling and sometime in night time that is coming. Blister beetle. They make the blister on the body of the human or any other plants, because they having one chemical is there. They release the one chemical, that is then the canthredine. Canthredine is there. So this is the difference between this Meloidy, and that's come under this Coleoptera order. And trigulin larvae are found in this Meloidy. Another is NCIPM. This question also many times is coming. Where is the NCIPM? National Center for Integrated Pest Management. that is located at New Delhi, and in 1988 that established in under the ICR. And another many time this question also coming, this is NBIR, National Bureau of Agriculturally Insect Resources. Where is NBIR? Anyone tell? Soibam? Think where is NBAIR? That is important institute of insect related ICR institute. Where is established? Where is located?
Sir,
Hmm.
hello? Sir, can you hear?
Yeah. You tell.
Sir, Bengaluru.
Bangalore. Good. And before this NBR, which name is there? Anyone tell?
Sir, NBAII.
No, NBAII before this. Then before this, one name is there, starting name. PDBC, Project Directorate of Biological Control. That is starting place in Bangalore. Then after change into NBAI, then again change into NBAIR. At present name is NBAIR. Okay. Then another is this also many time is coming, Indian Lake Research Institute. That is in Ranchi, Bihar before, but at present in Jharkhand. And it's established in 1925. That is the oldest institute and comes under maybe Government of India. After making this Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that comes under this ICR. So Saibam, which year established ICR? ICR. Tell. 1929. And which date? This also coming many time. 16 July 1929. Okay. And anyone tell about IRI? Which year established IRI and where? IRI first time established in Pusa, Samastipur, Bihar. And before this, what is the name of IRI? First in 1905, established in Pusa, Samastipur, Bihar. That time name is Imperial Agriculture Research Institute. Okay. After independence, then name change into Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Then in 1934, earthquake is came in Pusa, Samastipur, Bihar. That's why is transferred to Pusa, Samastipur to IRI, New Delhi. Okay, this is the history, and many times this question also coming. At present, where is the name? Before this, where is the name? This is many times this question is coming. And what is the full form of Pusa? Anyone tell? Pusa. What is Pusa? Soibam. Soibam tell. Pusa. What is the meaning of Pusa? Pusa. P-U-S-A. P separate USA. One scientist came from this USA. That's why their name is Pusa. Pusa means fifths. Fifths plus USA. That came from USA. That's why name is Pusa. This question also many times is coming. Then we have again come into the entomology. You see, insects are incapable of moving the eyes. This question also many times is coming. Incapable means no moving of the eyes or compound eyes that is found in insect, and many ommatidia is found in compound eyes. Then we go start from the history of entomology. You see, Fabricius, that is the scientist that made extensive study on Indian insect for first time and classified into three orders based on mouth parts. First time, that is one scientist is there, Fabricius, that in 1745 to 1808. Then 1758. This question many times is coming. 10th edition of Systema Naturae, that is written by Linnaeus, and it include 12 Indian insect. Okay, and which year coming this Systema Naturae first edition? Anyone tell? First edition of Systema Naturae, that is coming in 1735. Okay, this question also many times is coming. Then next is in 1800, Devonian published the Natural History of Insect, which was the first contribution on the insect of Asia and was revised in 1848 by Westwood. That another scientist is there, that is revised of this natural history. Then 1897, that question also coming, Ronald Ross, that discovered the malaria parasite in Anopheles mosquito. Then in 1901, Lionel D. Niceville was the first entomologist to the government of India. This question also many times is coming, who is the first entomologist to the government of India? That is the Niceville. Then in 1905, we have already told that established Agriculture Research Institute, that is first time their name is Imperial Agriculture Research Institute, that in Pusa, Bihar by Lord Curzon, that is coming from USA. Then land was donated by thieves of USA. That's why the name is given the Pusa, thieves. Who thieves means P plus USA. That after the name is coming Pusa. So that is not a place. That is the name given by the one scientist that came from the thieves. So this is the history of this IRI. Then in 1906, Maxwell Lefroy, that is the another scientist that published the Indian insect pest. This question also many times is coming. Indian insect pest is published in 1906, and Indian insect life. Only difference is pest and life. That is published in 1909. And in Madras, Punjab, UP appointed their first government entomologist in 1912 and 1922. So another this Lefroy is also Niceville, and this Lefroy. That two scientists is a starting point, and many times this question is coming. Then in 1914, that T.B. Fletcher was the first government entomologist of Madras state, published his book. This question also many times is coming. Some South Indian insect, that is who is written the some South Indian insect, that is Fletcher in 1914. In 1925, again, that is the latest name of this Indian Lake Research Institute is the Indian Institute of Natural Resin and Gums. But earlier name is Indian Lake Research Institute, that is located in Ranchi, Jharkhand, previously in Bihar, and established in 1925. This question also many times is coming. Then another is 1937, Entomology Division. Entomology Division was started in IRI, New Delhi. So this question also many times is coming. 1937, which year started the division of entomology in IRI, New Delhi? That is 1937. Then another question also many times is coming. In 1939, started the Entomology Society of India. In Entomology Society of India at IRI, New Delhi, and its publish one journal that is also famous, Indian Journal of Entomology. You write name of the journal that published from Entomology Society of India, that is the Indian Journal of Entomology. Another, in 1913, already we have told, locust warning organization was established after the locust plague during 1926 to 32. That is, many times this plague is coming of this locust. That's why established the locust warning organization. And at present, headquarter of this locust warning organization is Jodhpur, Rajasthan. This question also many times is coming. Then in 1939, insecticidal property of DDT was discovered by Paul Muller, a scientist from Switzerland, and it's awarded Nobel Prize in 1948 for discovery insecticide property in the subject, which subject? Chemistry subject. So this is also awarded the Nobel Prize. Then 1946, we have already told that Government of India started Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage, that is at Faridabad. Under this your locust bargaining organization also coming under this DPPQS. So this also many times this question also coming. One laboratory also there in Gurgaon, that is also come under this Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage. Then another also question, this National Institute of Plant Health Management, that formerly known as Central Plant Protection Training Institute, later National Plant Protection Training Institute at Hyderabad. At present the name is NIPHM, that is National Institute of Plant Health Management. So this question also many times is coming, where is established or where is located this National Institute of Plant Health Management, that is Hyderabad. In 1962, this question also many times is coming. Raquel Carson, one lady is there, they written the book Silent Spring. Okay, that is the toxic, this is related to the pesticide. In 1962, Silent Spring created awareness about the ill effect of pesticide, because that's why after that we start this IPM and other biological control and other, because this DDT, BSC, that is very dangerous and many problem is occurring. That's why they written the one book, that is Silent Spring. So that is also many times this question is coming. Silent, who is written the book Silent Spring? So that is written by Raquel Carson in 1962. In 1963, the book written by Textbook of Agriculture and Entomology by H.S. Pruthi. Then another is 1975, Elements of Economy and Entomology, that is written by B.V. David and T. Kumaraswamy, and this also very good book at present also. For GRF, that is the very good book, Elements of Economy and Entomology, and recent this published by B.V. David as well as V.V. Ramamurthy. Second name is V.V. Ramamurthy. Recently we have changed this name. T. Kumaraswamy removed and another scientist is coming. Then in 1988, this question also again coming, National Center for Integrated Pest Management was established in New Delhi, and now it is the name National Research Center for Integrated Pest Management. Then another, National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resources, that formally name is National Bureau of Agricultural Imported Insect in 2009, and earlier is PDBC, that is started in 1993 at Bangalore. So this also many times this question is coming, PDBC. Where is the starting name of NBAR? That is the PDBC. Then another related is factors of insect dominance. because you know insect is the highest living organism, highest species and dominant class insecta. So why? What is the reason that is dominant? So this is the capacity to flight. This is the important, because wing is available on the body. That's why they flight one place to another place, and that is the good for this precautions or protection from any enemies and other, and also transfer from one place to another place. You know, locust, that is the per kilometer 70 kilometer per hour. That is the range of this locust, one place going to another. So you, the locust, most of the 90% the locust breeding is in this Balochistan and Afghanistan. That came from this. If you are occurring this rain in December January in Balochistan and this area, that may 99% that is coming in June July. That is the, if you are occurring, so they totally depend upon the biotic factor. As Pradhan already told, na, this biotic factor is the major role, because if your rain is occurring timely, the egg laying in Balochistan and other Pakistan area, and then after they making nymph, then adult. If your adult is coming, they transfer from this place to our area, and the coming this no, around 70 kilometer per hour. That is the capacity of this locust. That's why name is locust. Then another is more adaptability, means they adapt minus 50 degrees centigrade to plus 52 centigrade. This is the capacity of insect. That's why they dominant. You see the example, this question also many times is coming. Silopa petroli, found in crude petroleum oil, and Ephydra fly living in Great Salt Lake. That is also found in Great Salt Lake and petroleum. So this is the character, and that is also this minus 52 plus 52 temperature they survive inside. Then another is high reproductive potential. You know, termite. Termite is the egg laying machine. This question also many times is coming. Who is the egg laying machine? So which is the egg laying machine? That is the termite. They lay eggs 6,000 to 7,000 eggs per day. So this is the capacity. That's why they dominate on the earth. Another is development period is very short. That is also another important character for dominancy of the insect. You example, you see corn aphid produce 16 nymph per female, which reach the adulthood within 16 days. So short life cycle, long life cycle, both are good. And also found is polyembryony, means they develop many individuals from single egg. This is also important factor for dominance of the insect, that is found in parasitic wasp. Then parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis means without fertilization they produce the egg, and that is also important found in aphids. This is question also many times is coming. What is parthenogenesis and where is which insect is found this parthenogenesis? The most important example is aphid. Then another is pedogenesis. Pedogenesis, you know, pedogenesis means production of young one by immature stage. Many insect is there, they start the progeny immature stage. So this is also important question, and this also found in this insect. That's why they dominate. Then thanatosis means they change the color. Also like dead insect, if you are touching to insect, they may be dead like. So some beetle also, there some important beetles, and it is defense strategy adapted by the some insect through feigning death, means they liking if you are dead or this type. So this is also important character. You seen Colorado potato beetle. This is also coming many times this question. Colorado potato beetle, when we disturb this beetle, their legs beneath and drop to ground and pretend it as if dead. So this is also important character. Then coloration means they change color according to host. You see the presence of protective colors in sticky insect. That's why the name is stick, because that is found on a dead or this plants, and the same color like plant they have also changing same color that is found in stick insect. Then mentid also found. Then physiological adaptation. This is also important. Physiology also changes according to environment. When we changing the environment, they also adapt this environment. So this is also like stingbug have specialized endocrine glands located in the thorax or abdomen. They produce smelling hydrocarbons. So this is also protecting to the insect, because they release the offensive or smelling hydrocarbons. They protect from the host or other insects. And also larvae of swordtail butterfly. This question also many times is coming. Have irreversible glands called osmoteria. If you are touching to larvae of this lemon butterfly, and this question also many times is coming. Bird like excreta, bird like excreta, which type of larvae is found, which insect. So this is all the this lemon butterfly larvae is known as bird. You see, bird like excreta, that is found related to excreta of bird. Some chitkabra image or this coloration type is found. So this question also many times is coming. And also found the osmoteria on the head.